I was super nervous. I mean, this is my house. I was texting my dad about it a lot, and he was just like, YOLO. He literally texted me YOLO. I was like, okay, I guess that means we have to do it. The first meetup was definitely just supposed to be a photo shoot, but I was not expecting that amount of people to show up. We all started a group chat, and it just kind of blew up from there. We have all sorts of people coming tonight. We got wrenchers, we have racers, we have people that are 21, and we have people that are 45, and all in between. And they all have the same passion, which is our S2000s. One of my first S2000s friends, Riley, he reached out because he's always taking pictures. Frankie's our big personality, and then John is a beast on the track.
Yeah, when I bought the 1000 and I started driving it, I went in the canyons and I spun out, and I was like, holy crap, this thing almost killed me, like, this is dope. And then I was like, all right, cool, like, we're gonna learn how to drive this car.
I knew after that, and after the first time I drove one, I was like, this is it, I gotta have one.
And then Bella is also a great race car driver.
You go once and the adrenaline, like, it just gets you.
We're like slowly starting to kind of turn everybody into like, go to the track. So it's kind of cool crossing them over to the track side.
Go to the track.
I parked my car next to the freaking porta potty.
My goal that day was very specific, and it was to not go off the track. And then I went off the track. That was fine. Something messed up in my steering, but there's a couple people in the group chat who are very well versed in the S2000. So I always ask them, we send videos back and forth.
I've hit my head twice already and I think I have a concussion.
Between YouTube and my friends, I can always get the job done. In high school, I watched Fast and Furious a lot, and I love Suki, and she just kind of inspired me. I would always actually sim listings on Bring a Trailer and then send a picture of it into the family group chat and just say how much I love it. And I walked out with the dogs and there was an S2000 in the driveway. Once I got the car, I immediately looked on the DMV website to make sure my plate was open that I wanted. S2K BBY. I just love the car, whatever I get to do with it. Take it to Starbucks or take it to the track. Either way, it's super fun for me.
To get with like a group that has like all like-minded individuals that like this platform and this vehicle, and to get us all together and do like our yearly barbecues that we do here. We have a really cool setup that we're so lucky that Lauren and her family is able to let us use for this.
All of these people love these cars as much as I do, and that's not always true when you go out there. So this is just the most enthusiastic group of S2000 hunters you can find.
Since we're all so passionate about the same thing, I think like outside of the cars, it just brings like a lot of friendship.
In general, this S2000 community is great. If there's an issue, the first thing that everybody does is they reach out and everybody tries to solve that issue. You know, we have a lot of friends that are kind of like master mechanics when it comes to these cars.
Send a question in the group chat and not even 3 minutes later, you have a whole like write out of how to fix it. And it's huge.
The cars are cool, but honestly, like the group of people that are here, they're friends. They're like more like a family now. It's pretty dope. It's like the cars just came with it.
Later. Hey, have a safe drive.